First of all, we get it. When you're running a dealership, you're being pulled in 1,000 different directions and getting solicited by everyone under the sun, all promising the moon. So let's cut to the chase. We deliver results. It's that simple. How? We dig deep into your F&I department. We stay sharp on the new products, ensuring that the presentations in your F&I office stay fresh and relevant to your customers. Technology in vehicles is constantly changing. We make sure your mix of products stays current to the times. But products only take you part of the way. Your people make you cross the finish line. So whether you have a green pea or a seasoned veteran, our training program gives them the tools they need for success. The next step is to build wealth for you and your family. Our reinsurance consultation service can uncover hidden fees you may not be aware of. We keep the money in your pocket, not the other guys. But having a race car for an F&I department doesn't do you much good if you don't have a showroom packed full of customers ready to buy. Our marketing programs set you apart from your competition. From creating your own used car certification program to offering a lifetime warranty or using a multi-channel marketing program that guarantees its results, we have a solution for that. And the best part is that we do not report to some fat cat corporation. We work for you and only you. This gives us the freedom to offer solutions that work best for you, your dealership, and your customers, not some guy on Wall Street. At Encompass, we set new directions. Put your store on the right path today. Visit us at www.encompassdealer.com or call our president directly at 765-969-1692 and let's get rolling.